Hi, my name is Miss Penn, and I'm one of the instructors for the Horry County Schools Gifted and Talented Summer Performing Arts Academy. And I am here to give you a little assistance on finding monologues. My first suggestion, of course, is to talk to your drama teacher in your school. They were going to be your best resource. If that's not available to you, or if you prefer, you can look for pieces online. We recommend that you choose a piece from a published play. You want good, solid words to say, and that starts with a published play. So my one-stop shop for you is playscripts.com. PlayScripts is a publisher, and they offer lots and lots of scripts that are high school, middle school, and college appropriate material. And the scripts on this website are available for purchase. However, if you sign up for a free account with them, you can read 90% of any script that they have. That means that you can get the full story and understand the context that your monologue has within the play. So you can also choose one-act plays, which are, of course, a lot quicker to read, and that's helpful. So, for example, let's say I choose this play called We Are the Sea, and when that loads, I'm going to get a description of the play, and it's going to also have our little read for free button. I'm not logged in yet just right this moment, so it's not going to show it to me right now. It's probably going to ask me to log in, but you get a fully scrollable, online readable version of the play in a format that you can't download and copy, but you can read most of the play. So this is a really great resource for finding monologues and being able to read the play, because we do highly recommend that you read the play. We do ask that your monologue be memorized. I will say that even though this is virtual and recorded, it might feel like, oh, I can just read it off the screen, but I promise you will look like you're reading it off the screen. So do your very best to memorize it. We look forward to seeing your audition. If you need more assistance, please feel free to contact me at mpenn, that's MPENN, at horrycountyschools.net.